The Philippines, a nation of stunning beauty and vibrant culture, also faces a stark reality. It sits within the Pacific Ring of Fire. This volatile zone makes the country prone to frequent earthquakes, some barely noticeable, others powerful forces of nature. The devastation earthquakes can inflict is immense, but it doesn't have to be insurmountable. Knowledge and preparation are our greatest tools in mitigating risk and ensuring safety. We'll cover essential steps, from assembling emergency kits to creating family plans, from recognizing potential hazards in your home to knowing the safest actions to take during and after a quake. Because being prepared for an earthquake isn't just about safeguarding possessions, it's about safeguarding lives. This is about equipping you, the viewer, with the information you need to make a difference. In a crisis, every second counts. Having essential supplies can mean the difference between coping and chaos. We're talking bottled water, non-perishable food, a first aid kit, a flashlight with extra batteries, a battery-powered radio, a whistle, and a dust mask. This isn't just about gathering items, it's about assembling peace of mind. We think of our homes as sanctuaries, but during an earthquake, unsecured objects can become hazards. Securing items like bookshelves and heavy mirrors can prevent them from toppling. Store heavy items on lower shelves and know your utility shut-off valves. Preparation minimizes risk, and that starts with our homes. Imagine the chaos of an earthquake. Communication lines down, families separated, uncertainty everywhere. That's why a family emergency plan is vital. Designate a meeting point, a safe location everyone knows to go to once the shaking stops. Conduct regular earthquake drills with your family and familiarize yourselves with evacuation routes. Preparation breeds confidence, and in a crisis, confidence can be a lifesaver. The Philippines is an archipelago, a nation sculpted by seismic activity. Risks can vary from island to island, even neighborhood to neighborhood. Consult hazard maps and understand the specific risks your location faces. Knowing your terrain isn't just about geography, it's about understanding the potential dangers and preparing for them accordingly. The ground starts shaking, a jarring tremor, an unsettling sway. If you're indoors, remember these 3 words: drop, cover, hold on. Drop to the ground, take cover under a sturdy table or desk and hold on tight. Stay put until the shaking stops. You're outside, feeling the ground roll beneath your feet. Move to an open area, away from buildings, power lines, trees, anything that could collapse. Once you're in the clear, drop to the ground and stay low. Stay put until the shaking stops. Seeking open ground minimizes your exposure to hazards. You're driving, feeling a tremor run through the car. Pull over to a safe location quickly and safely. Stay away from bridges, overpasses, power lines, anything that could collapse. Stay inside your vehicle until the shaking stops. Then proceed with caution, aware of potential road hazards. The Philippines, with its stunning coastline, faces a unique threat: tsunamis. If you live near the coast and feel a strong earthquake, evacuate immediately to higher ground. Don't wait for official warnings. Know your evacuation routes and heed local authorities' advice. After the earthquake, check yourself and those around you for injuries. Administer first aid if you're able, but remember, your safety comes first. Be cautious of aftershocks, which can cause further damage. If you're trapped or injured, try to signal for help. With caution, begin assessing the damage to your surroundings and take note of any immediate dangers. Check for gas leaks, electrical damage, and potential fire hazards in your area. If your home is damaged, don't re-enter until it's been deemed safe by authorities. Seek temporary shelter at a designated evacuation center or with family or friends further inland. In the aftermath of an earthquake, access to reliable information is crucial. A battery-powered radio can be a lifeline. Tune into local news stations for updates, emergency instructions, and evacuation orders. Reliable information helps you make informed decisions and navigate post-earthquake challenges. The Philippines is particularly vulnerable to tsunamis. It's crucial to understand the warning signs: a strong earthquake, a rapid rise or fall in sea level, a roaring sound from the ocean. If you experience any of these, evacuate to higher ground. Tsunami awareness and preparedness can save lives. Earthquake preparedness is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing commitment. Share this information with your loved ones, neighbors, and colleagues. Organizations like PHIVOLCS play a vital role in monitoring seismic activity and educating the public. By staying informed, prepared, and looking out for one another, we can build a culture of resilience.